With not only close but also high accuracy. How does a company that focuses on difficult polishing processing for 15 years realize this mirror-like surface CNC polishing machining effect? Today, we are here at Shenzhen Yishun Jinhong Limited Company to witness the micro-level CNC polish processing.
Mirror mold, but no accuracy. Manual work after mold test. Mold luminosity not up to standard. Delays in delivery. Don't worry. This company that has been specializing in high difficulty polishing for 20 years will certainly help you.
We are major in the business of mirror surface polishing for 20 years. From the earliest times, my mentor taught me the manual polishing and 5-axis grinding polishing. Products involved in mobile phone 3C, healthcare, cars, car lights, logo, and precision and ultra-precision polishing. Our product advantages is the mirror surface accuracy.
For 20 years, President Ding has led his team to refine the essence from the traditional process. In his opinion, to review the transformation from the manual to 5-axis polishing, Yishun kept innovation conform to the times. It is a correct decision that Yishun made in the face of increasing customer, putting forward all kinds of production challenges.
For the first 18 years, I polished mostly by hand. However, about 2 years ago, I received a mold request for mobile phone screen. Customer needs 7.5 micron accuracy. As for a cosmetic mold, this requirement has been extended to the optical field. I tried a lot of methods, but neither the customer nor I was satisfied. Then I asked friends around for help, and that was the first time I met BEIJING JINGDIAO. The result is just 1 week, the mirror surface is out with an accuracy of 5 micron, and I sent it to the customer. He was very surprised. The customer said, "This is the exact effect I want."
The affirmation of the customers encourages the rapid growth of Yishun. At present, Yishun has become a mold polishing technician team with nearly 100 people, and behind its polishing technician innovation is Yishun adhere to the product quality of more growth, high precision, and the courage of challenges to high difficulty over the years.
In our industry, we call it high difficult problem. If neither my peers nor our clients can't solve, you can see this is a free-form surface. It is irregular. The existing manual polishing can't make it less than 10 micron, but this is 5 micron accuracy. I made it using the 5-axis grinding technique. Now, we have realized both high luminosity and precision, giving customers better solutions to their high requirement for mirror surface product.
In order to ensure mirror surface polishing precision, Yishun purchased 7 sets of 5-axis machine and polish machines. What makes President Ding feel the machine convenient and high efficient is a set of precision processing application system in his production workshop come together with Yishun and Jingdiao.
I comparatively believe in the ideas of precision machining. BEIJING JINGDIAO brings me the machines and solutions. They assist me from proofing, designing workshop, drawings, foundation, constant temperature workshop, to even the supplier of cutting tools and lubricating oil.
When we walk into Yishun's workshop, these Jingdiao 3-axis and 5-axis high-speed machine centers that purchase in different times are performing its own duty, running rapidly. In fact, the whole solution of machine plus application plus talents provided by Jingdiao is similar to the thinking of enterprise decision makers like President Ding on the long-term development of the industry.
Once mechanized, we become much less dependent on labor force. Moreover, our production value is increasing, labor cost decreasing. It's a virtuous circle. That is, the accuracy is improved, the added value and turnover is improved. Then, the labor cost is reduced, and the loss is reduced, which also helped the customers solve the problem. We transformed from labor-intensive to high-tech, from manual to mechanization, from solving ordinary problems to difficult problems, from to differentiation.
As President Ding said, the production of high-precision mirror surface mold only relying on one set of high-precision, high-stability machine is far from enough, but also the support of a complete set of precision processing system. The core of what makes this system and machine work is the man, the operator. The need of a technical team, the industrial tight supply, in these 2 years has distressed a lot of enterprise.
When I bought a machine, I valued the technique of precision machine, but I was also worried because I have a lot of polishing talents, but few for 5-axis, which is also scarce in the talent market. The talent training and the support plan proposed by Beijing Jingdiao helped me solve the most disturbing and difficult problems. Their team, engineers and students, with the sense of responsibility and a professional spirit that is no less than my employees.
Be a man of serious, do things of earnest. The young engineer who graduates from Jingdiao Training School not only mastered the core technology, but also deeply branded the concept of Jingdiao value in heart and continue to practice.
They are young and can quickly grasp the experience and technology, including programming and processing. Their learning, training, the ability to solve the problems amazed me to wonder why I couldn't do these things, and their responsibility. They will not leave work until the problem is solved, which is where I am touched and recognized. In addition, they will not shirk when there is something unusual, such as difficulties.
Conceal its ability and bide its time. 15 years of difficult technology precipitation has created such a very influential Mould polishing brand in the Pearl River Delta region. Listen to stories of a customer, explore the process of mystery. A date with Beijing Jingdiao. See you next time.